Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you cannot unlock your OPPO Find X9 Ultra using your lock screen pattern. So the best decision in such situation would be to reach out to OPPO customer support service and tell them about your issue. If you can prove the ownership of your device to them using a receipt or an e-receipt from the store where you bought the smartphone, they'll be able to help you out with this problem and will remove the password without erasing any data from your device. And if this option is not available for you, you're gonna have to perform a factory reset operation on your smartphone. Now, there are two ways to do that. But before you perform a factory reset, if you have an alternative way to sign into your device, first of all, unlock your smartphone either using your fingerprint or use your face recognition scanner and back up all the important data from your smartphone to either your PC or to an external cloud. After that, if you want to perform a factory reset remotely, you can grab any other device that you have. For example, your laptop, tablets, other smartphone, PC, etc. And then you're gonna have to enter your web browser and search for the FindHub website, which is the Google service. Enter it, sign into the Google account that is linked with your smartphone. After that, you'll be able to find your OPPO smartphone on the list of your devices, and if you find and select it like this, you're gonna be able to tap the settings icon and select factory reset your OPPO. And this way you'll perform the factory reset operation remotely. After the factory reset operation is finished, you'll be able to regain access to your device. Now, if you want to perform the factory reset operation locally, you're gonna have to enter the recovery mode on your smartphone. And if you want to learn more about it and have the precise video instruction on how to do that, we actually have a full video on how to perform factory reset operation through recovery mode on OPPO Find X9 Ultra. So if you're interested, go ahead and check that video out. And I just want to show you one completely other way to approach this situation. So if you do remember your lock screen pattern but still cannot use it to unlock your device, this might be caused by some third-party application interference or some background activity interference that just causes your device to glitch and interferes with your lock screen. To outrule this possibility, we have to turn off the phone, hold down the power button and volume up key, and then swipe the circle down to power off your device. Then what we have to do is wait until the device is switched off, then short press the power button until it boots up. Okay. And once you see the OPPO logo on your screen, you have to wait for about 5 seconds, 3 to 5 seconds, before starting to hold down the volume down key. And just keep holding it until your device is restarted. This way you will boot your smartphone into the safe mode. Here, try to enter your lock screen pattern, and in case you succeed, go to settings, and after that, go to security and privacy, scroll down to device and lock section, go to screen lock, enter your pattern once again and select turn off password, disable, and for some reason we have to confirm the password once again. And now just restart your smartphone in a normal way and continue using it. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.